Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a monetized Discord community from scratch. Yeah, if you want to create a server that not only grows but also generates revenue, this approach is perfect because, honestly, a strong foundation and smart setup make all the difference in long-term success. So first, define your niche and target audience. Uh, Choose a topic people are passionate about, like gaming, education, or creative communities, because engaged members are more likely to support your server financially. Next, organize your server structure. Yeah, create clear categories, channels, and roles with separate areas for free members and premium subscribers, making your offerings obvious and attractive. After that, set up monetization methods. You can use Patreon, Ko-fi, or Discord's own server subscriptions to give members exclusive access, perks, or content. Make sure these benefits are valuable to encourage signups. Also, integrate bots for automation and rewards. Yeah, bots can handle role assignment for paid members, deliver exclusive content automatically, and track activity for perks or leveling systems. And yeah, promote your server smartly. So use social media, collaborations, or organic referrals to attract members who are genuinely interested in your niche and willing to support your community. Finally, engage consistently and offer ongoing value. Most of the time, combining a structured server, exclusive perks, and active engagement results in a thriving monetized Discord community. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.